Losing a cherished Instagram post, story, reel, or IGTV video to a careless tap can feel like the end of the world. But thankfully, Instagram has a hidden gem that acts as a digital safety net in this quick tutorial. I'll guide you through the simple steps to recover those recently deleted treasures. First things first, open up your Instagram app and navigate to your profile page once you're there. Look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. That's your main menu. Tap on it to open a panel of options. From the menu that slides out, you'll see a few choices. We're looking for your activity. Tap on that to dive into your Instagram usage data. Now, within your activity, you'll see various insights into how you use Instagram. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Recently Deleted. This is where all your vanquished content awaits its potential resurrection. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a breakdown of what you've recently removed, categorized into posts, stories, reels, IGTV, and even accounts. This is your archive of deleted content, usually available for retrieval for a period of 30 days. Though some items might have a shorter window, select the type of content you wish to recover. Let's say you accidentally deleted a post. You'll see a list of your recently deleted posts. Find the specific post you want back and tap the 3 dots icon that appears next to it. This will bring up a small menu of actions for that particular item. In this context menu, you'll find 2 primary options, delete and restore, to bring your post back to life. Simply tap on Restore. Instagram will then ask for a quick confirmation to ensure you really want to bring it back. Confirm your decision by tapping Restore again, and just like that, your deleted post will magically reappear on your Instagram profile. Good as new. The process is identical for stories, reels, and IGTV videos. Just select the relevant category and follow the same restore steps. It's a fantastic feature for those moments of regret, ensuring your creative efforts aren't lost forever. So, the next time you accidentally hit delete, remember this handy trick and give your content a second chance.